Hey guys, PowerPoint School has made another motion graphic resume template, and as always we are providing this template for free of any cost. With this template you are getting 7 unique slides and 3 different color combination. And also in our next video I will show you how I have made this template step by step. So now let's enjoy the slideshow. Here you can see that we have 3 different template files for 3 different colors. So make sure you check the description of this video, there I have provided the download link. As I have already mentioned that in our next tutorial I'll show you how to make this exact template, so keep your eyes on our channel. And if you have enjoyed our work, make sure you give a like for this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, show us your support, that really inspires us. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get time-to-time notifications from this channel. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.